What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Billionaire Brick. I'm not gonna lie, it's like 3:20 in the morning, 3:20 a.m. I just woke up. Let's see. Well, it's 3:18. You know, the microwave got the time on it. So basically, I'm on Discord and we're looking for a trade. We haven't found the entry yet. So we're looking for buys on US30. But that shit dropping right now though. Should stayed my ass sleep. Got my little tea. So basically, on the hour 4 chart, we got this bullish fair value gap that was broken, but we have this sell side liquidity that was taken out.
Just where people try to enter longs.
Once I seen this sell side liquidity,
they're about to get stopped out.
Once I seen this sell side liquidity, I put out my buy side liquidity targets. So I'm like, okay, so we just took our sell side liquidity. We did break through the hour 4 chart. The hour 4 bullish fair value gap. So most people would be bearish, but he can't hear me. But once we broke back up to it, it's like we using it as support. You get what I'm saying?
Good.
And then on the weekly chart, we had came into a bullish weekly fair value gap. So basically, I'm like, yeah, we going higher.
Like I'm telling you.
It's just my opinion, though. I could be wrong. So
it's just
basically, on the 1 hour chart. So this is what I'm saying. So look. So if price, this white area is a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. If price drops into that 1 hour bullish fair value gap, I'm gonna be looking to take buys. That's one thing. You get what I'm saying? Then we have our overlay right here, this high. So this specifically where I'll be looking for it to come at in the bullish fair value gap, that green line right there. But I'm gonna go to the 15 minute. But okay, on the 15 minute, we took our Asia's low, right? And we're using the hour 4 bullish fair value gap as support. So I went down to the 1 minute, right? And I'm just simply waiting. So I told myself on the 1 minute chart, if price, since we took our Asia's low, it's two things that could do. That shit can keep dropping. It can keep dropping and come down to this hour 1 fair value gap, this white area, or it can break a swing high with a fair value gap. As you can see right here, this area was a swing high that was broken, but it's no fair value gap in this leg that broke it. So I'm simply waiting for a bullish fair value gap to break a high, basically. So this swing high was just created right here. I want to see a high. I want to see it breaks it with a bullish fair value gap. If it does that, I enter for a buy. If I don't see what I'm looking for, then I just simply won't trade. Let me just turn this shit down. I could have turned down triple. If I don't see what I'm looking for, then I simply just won't trade, y'all. So that's how you have to be. So you see, it's two things that I'm looking for. On the 1 minute, I'm looking for a high to be broken with the fair value gap. If it doesn't do that, then in my mind, I know that it's going to continue to drop into this bearish fair value gap. Now, do I want to just simply sell? No, I do not want to just simply sell and hope that it comes here. I want to allow it to come down here. You get what I'm saying? You never want to trade to where you want it to go. Like, if my target on the 4 hour chart is buy side liquidity, which is highs resting above here, I don't want to just like this sporadic move down. I don't want to just, oh, it's going down, let me sell. Because you don't know, like, you never know what price is going to do. So it's like, price could easily be coming to take out liquidity below this 1 minute low. And then it could reverse and break a swing high with a fair value gap and take off and go higher. So I don't want to sell and then be fucked up. And then, like I said, we are inside of a bullish hour 4 fair value gap that it did break through, but now it's using it as support. So I just gotta, this is a part of trading. You just have to simply wait and see. Like I said, I don't enter spontaneously. I enter based off of my rules. So once something pans out, we're gonna come back and see what happens. All right, guys, we enter for a buy right here on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie, this was an aggressive ass buy. So if I get stopped out, I can't even be mad because it's two entries I have. One is a conformative buy and one is aggressive. Conformative is when it breaks a swing high on the 1 minute and creates a fair value gap like it's doing now. and comes into the fair value gap. Then I enter for a buy. Another one is after, so like after we broke Asia's low. So I go to the, I'm just gonna go to the 5 minute. So this is Asia's low on the 5 minute chart, right? And then we broke it. We have another sell side liquidity right here, and we have that 1 hour fair value gap. So like, I'm like, bro, we might not come all the way down and take out this sell side liquidity. Basically, this line right here delineates 230, and after 230, I want to see price take out a significant low. And the significant low that it took out on the 15-minute chart was Asia's low. So once we took out Asia's low, I went down to the 1 minute, right? On the 1 minute chart, I basically, price was dropping. A lot of people in the Discord was thinking that, oh man, we might not get entry. It might not. It might be a sale today. But I keep my bias in my head. My bias was bullish, and I'm not changing my mind. You get what I'm saying? So I drew out this low. And I'm like, okay, we broke Asia's low. We just created a low on the 1 minute. If we break this low, we're super oversold, right? So once we broke this low, and I seen this bullish fair value got created. I know it says I entered right here, bro, but I swear I bought when it came into it. Like, it just, the shit was flickering real fast. But yeah, I bought when it came right here, and it was flickering fast, so it entered me in right here. And now it was an aggressive buy, I'm not gonna lie. And now we're going higher. My TP is right here. My TP is gonna be for like $725. I am in a challenge. If I make 50, if I get this account to $54,000, I pass the challenge, and they give me a live account. Well, no. After I get $54,000, I have another phase where I have to make 2,500, and then once I make 2,500, I pass the challenge, and that's gonna be easy. But with the 2,500, I can't make more than $600 a day, which is crazy. Just like on this, I can't make more than $1,500 a day, reaching my $4,000 target. So this trade is 700. I closed another trade before this for 300, so that's gonna be 1,000 for the day. That's perfectly fine. So we just want to see it come and take out that buy side liquidity above that high where my TP at, and then that's gonna be the trade for today. Alright guys, I'm finna take a shower. Just finished working out. Finna take a shower, then finna head out of here. I'm so mad, bro. The trade hit break even, bro. I was 500 in profit and it hit break even. I'm gonna show y'all later. Finna take a shower, then get up out of here. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold as hell. Right now I'm at Flying Biscuit. I already placed my order, so I'm just waiting for food to be ready. I had got the egg scrambled cheese, grits, biscuit with the apple butter, and the apple juice. So basically just waiting for that to be completed. But yeah, I'm so mad that I lost money. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad that I lost money on my trade this morning. But I know that revenge trading ain't the answer. I want a revenge trade so bad. Like I want to go in the markets and place another trade so bad. But it's like I can't. Cause it could be a winner or it could be a loser. I told myself from now on I'm placing one trade a day, because the theme behind the way I trade is called one shot kill zone for a reason. Not 2-shot kill zone, not 3-shot kill zone. You get one chance. If I get stopped out, I just get stopped out. But I basically did some back testing and I seen like what I did wrong and what I could have did better. And basically I wouldn't say I was trading wrong, but I found a better way to enter the market to where if I enter and I'm right, I will not get stopped out. If I get stopped out, it has to be a very sporadic or unordinary move that happens. So I'm glad that I figured that out, and I will be using that going forward and going into the markets tomorrow, London session. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep y'all posted. What's up, YouTube? Okay, so I'm finna explain everything that happened. My screen look a little dusty wusty. But basically, I know you see the balance is at 50,676. And earlier today, it was at 50,300 and something. And I told you I lost. So you're like, if you lost, how did you make $300? So this is the first initial trade of the day that I took between 2 to 5 a.m. Price broke Asia's low, and I took an aggressive buy at this fair value gap. Now look, I'm finna show y'all this BS. This the BS. I got stopped out. I was aiming for this high right here. And as you can see, that high would have gave me $700, right? $750. Tell me why price came all the way right here and then came and stopped me out. It stopped me out at like $37, even though I moved my stop loss to $26 in profit. So I don't know what that was about. But basically, my bias was wrong, but I still could have made money. I mean, if I was looking at the charts and I was $600, $700 in profit, I would have just closed it, honestly, if I would have seen it right here. But I was at the gym working out. That's the first thing I want to go over. The second thing, bro, is, bro, I seen what I was doing wrong, y'all. Like, bro, we took out Asia's high right here, bro. Like, this line right there, that's Asia's high, right? That white line is Asia's high. So let me erase this green. So we took out Asia's high, and then on the 15-minute chart, it's multiple entries I could have did. So the first entry was we took out Asia's high, and then on the 15-minute chart we made a bearish fair value gap, right? So I could have took a sell right here, right there. So I bought right here and I was riding it up to here on the smaller time frame. I got stopped out because it reversed on me. But look, we took out Asia's high. We broke Asia's low, which is a swing low. So we have our accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And I could have got in on this retracement into this 15-minute fair value gap, and I could have rolled it down into wherever. And I could have aimed for external liquidity based off of the 15-minute or the 1 hour. I could have got out. I could have aimed for, could have aimed for this low. It ain't get there yet. Or I could have simply aimed for a 1 to 2 or a 2 to or whatever. You get what I'm saying? Like, let's see. Like, if I would enter right here, stops above the first candle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Yeah, man, I could have aimed for a 5-1, a 6-1. It's all the way at a 10-1. So that's just me missing my blessing today, because I wouldn't say I wasn't paying attention to the higher time frame, because I was. I just thought we was bullish, but I guess we was bearish. But I still could have made money though, even though that we was even though we was bearish overall in this trade. Like I said, when I took that buy in this small retracement, I was up like $600. I just wasn't in the trade to see it. My TP was at 750. So yeah, so that shit pissed me off. I placed another trade, lost some more, and then I ain't gonna lie, I don't like ending the day with a losing day, bro. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, bro. I came back in and placed another trade, bro. I went against my rules. My old rule used to be 2 trades a day. I placed 4 trades today. But my new rule now that I created is that I only get 1 trade a day. 1 shot kill zone. So basically, I traded this trade right here. I sold this area because price, basically I seen that price was basically in a downtrend on the 15-minute chart. We was tracing to this 15-minute fair value gap, didn't touch it. We came down. We were traced into this 15-minute fair value gap after we broke this low. So I'm like, okay, we broke this low on the 15-minute. We coming into this 15-minute fair value gap. This is the only fair value gap that was created in this leg. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna sell and aim for liquidity below here. So I'm not gonna lie. When I sold, I just simply got out like in this area, because I was like, I'm not supposed to be in this trade. I'm up $772. Let me just go ahead and get out. That's how much I lost today. I lost so much that I made $772 today, and my account balance is only $50,700. I'm finna show y'all. Look at this shit. So this is my today. I placed this trade where it say $279. I placed that trade yesterday, but I closed it this morning at like 2:40 in the morning. So that really don't count for today, but I guess it do. So as you can see, I really placed 4 trades today. I lost 37, I lost 224, I lost 140, and I made it all back on that $779 trade, which I'm not proud of, because like I said, bro, I was trying to get my money back, and if I keep up this type of behavior, I will not pass this challenge. In order to pass this challenge, I have to get the account to $50,400. And once I do that, they will give me phase 2. I only have to make $2,500 in phase 2. And once I pass that, they will give me a live account with $50,000 in it. And I get 100% of the profits. Yes, 100%. I do not trade Top Step. I do not trade My Funny Futures. I trade Clarity Traders. Clarity Traders gives you 100% of your profits. Not 90-10, 100%. Go check it out. And they always having discounts on the phases, like on the challenges, the 50K challenge, the 100K challenge, the $10,000 challenge. They always having like some type of discount. But yeah, I mean, I guess I'm happy because I made money today. Essentially, I made all the money that I lost back, plus like a couple $100. But I'm mad at myself for breaking my rules and trading too many times. I know a lot of people like, bro, 4 trades, that's not a lot of trades. It is to somebody who has rules. I wasn't even supposed to be entering in this area. I only trade between 2 to 5 a.m. That's why I give myself 1 shot. It's called a 1-shot kill zone. So even though I bought, I guess I should have been looking at the charts to where I would have moved my stop loss to at least 300 in profit. So I would have got stopped out at 300. I should have been watching the trade, man. If I'm scalping, I need to at least be watching it. But I was like, no, let me go to the gym. That was the first mistake I shouldn't have did. So, and then the second mistake, like I said, I read the whole bias wrong. I was supposed to be selling. And then, like, when I seen that it was selling downtrend, I just waited for a low to be broken on the 15-minute because I seen we didn't take out this area of liquidity yet right here. So I'm like, okay, if it breaks a low on the 15-minute and creates a fair value gap and comes back into it, that's an easy sell because it haven't even came to this area of liquidity yet. No need to overthink it. And that's simply what I did. And as you can see, it dropped. And I got out because I'm like, I ain't supposed to be in this trade. You can't make more than $1,500 in one day anyway, because this phase has a consistency rule where you cannot make 30% of the profit target, which is 4,000. 30% is, I believe, 1,500. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah. So that's basically what's going on. I don't know like how my day is gonna go. I mean, if I go somewhere today, I'll have to take you all with me and just give you all some knowledge, give you all some game on, you know, hopefully this was some knowledge and some game as far as the psychology aspect, because I'm basically keeping it real with y'all and telling y'all straight up like what I did. And I'm telling y'all, even though I made money for today, I'm still mad at myself, like, because I know that like I over leveraged and everything. I ain't supposed to be doing that. The type of trader I am, I can risk $200 on one trade to make $1,400, to make $1,000. I only have to place, really, to pass this challenge, bro. I can pass this challenge in 3 more trades, risking 200 each trade, and I know that. So it's like I shouldn't be trying to like place all these trades in one day and rush when I'm trading outside my time zone, just because I know how to trade, and I know I see what I see in X, Y, and Z. That's low key like being greedy and not being grateful, because it's like, okay, you lost, okay, just come back the next day, because you know that it's a high probability that if you trade between 2 to 5, it's an 85-90% chance that you're gonna make money if you follow your rules. So it's like me trading outside my time zone, not necessarily saying that means I'm automatically not gonna get the trade correct, because I used to trade New York session, but I'm just simply saying those are not the rules that I newly implement upon my strategy. And in order to be a profitable trader, you simply have to follow the rules that you create for yourself, or else it's gonna be a long uphill mental battle. So yeah, man, it's your boy Billionaire Britt. This might be the end of the video. It might not. I don't know. But with that being said, we out.